A presidential appointee serves at the pleasure of his boss. Hence, any day at work could well be his or her last. The Point Palace press officer and PCO Undersecretary Claire Castro drove home in today's palace presser, citing Bersamin's abrupt departure or dismissal from the office was purely the president's call. I have more on this report gleaned by our Kenneth Paciente. Malacanang insisted that the removal of former Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin from the cabinet is clearly the prerogative of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. This was Malacanang's response following Bersamin's statement in which he denied that he resigned on his own accord.
As he himself stated in his interview, he submitted himself to the President's discretion and prerogative as part of the ongoing reorganization. The palace announcement was issued in line with this understanding and with due regard for stability and continuity in governance.
The palace also expressed respect for what the former official felt. However, Castro emphasized that the announcement regarding Bersamin's departure came directly from the palace.
Muli po, ang pina-announce po sa atin ay galing sa palasyo at kung ano po ang sinabi lamang ng palasyo, yun lamang po ang ating in-announce.
This Monday, Castro announced that Bersamin and Budget Secretary Amenah Pangandaman had tendered their resignations due to delicadeza after their offices were allegedly linked to a budget insertion related to anomalies in flood control projects. Their removals were reportedly aimed to pave the way for the unhindered progress of the investigation. In the face of cabinet rumblings, Malacanang said there is no internal investigation underway and not everyone is being investigated. Castro explained this could merely be part of the president's performance audit. Castro added this does not mean the resigned officials are safe from investigation into corruption.
Wala pong pwedeng lumagpas. Kung kinakailangan po imbestigahan, private citizen, public official, kung kailangan imbestigahan, dapat imbestigahan.
The palace also responded to alleged trends of unceremonious removals of high-ranking officials in the administration.
Tandaan po natin, lahat naman po kami ay ang aming service ay upon the pleasure of the President. Sabi nga nila, pagpasok mo dito, hindi mo alam kung ito na yung huling araw mo. So lahat po kami dapat ay handa doon.
This is Sharm Zespina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.